This is Frankie McDowell, my own team station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive snowstorm is headed towards Nova Scotia on Monday, January 29th, 2018. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters or so. Winds are going to be pretty strong. They'll be causing big waves, crash on beaches and shores in Nova Scotia. There'll be windy conditions with a lot of snow in Nova Scotia, especially in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and Cape Breton, Nova Scotia, including Sydney, Cape Breton, Highlands, and Louisbourg, Nova Scotia. There'll be snow drifts blowing this drifted snow. Streets, roads, highways, and trains can't highway be snow covered. There'll be big waves crashing on beaches and shores in Nova Scotia, including Halifax, Nova Scotia, South Shore, Nova Scotia, Shelburne, Nova Scotia, Yarmouth, Truro, Glasgow, Nova Scotia as well. There'll be a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong in Nova Scotia, especially in Halifax, Nova Scotia on Monday, January 29, 2018. People in Nova Scotia, be prepared! If you want to put 20 winter jackets ready, hats, gloves, scarves, ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Make sure if your Samsung Galaxy shirts, Samsung Galaxy smartphone shirts, Samsung Galaxy tablet shirts, smartphones, cell phones, laptops, tablet shirts, and if you're 3G, 4G yet ready. When you drive the car, take your time, drive the car, slow down, so you don't get a car accident. We go for a walk, be very careful walking so you don't slip and fall. Make sure if your furnace is ready, turn on your furnace to keep yourself warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Have your extra blankets ready to keep you warm as well. Make sure if your shovels, snow scoops, snow blowers, snow plows, and saw trucks ready as well. If everybody lives in Nova Scotia, be prepared for massive snowstorm on Monday, January 29, 2018. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a massive snowstorm. Stay warm and be safe.